because when you catch a plane, you don't need the life jacket under the seat. You just use your ass. Oh shit! Shit!
Oh no!
There's a bird in the house.
It's okay. Shh.
Come on, it's okay.
Get it.
Come on, come on.
Help!
We're trying to let you out. Get the bird! Don't move. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Oh. Are you okay? Oh shit! Hey! That's closed! That's a closed window! That's a closed window! In here! Just calm down and we'll get you back to your nest.
I will never come down! Get back!
Oh,
Get back!
it's okay! Get back! It's okay! It's okay! Wait! That's her grandpa's ashes!
He was my best friend. That's all I have left of him.
Pop?
Yeah.
Cancer?
Yeah, it was actually. It was really hard.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Ah!